In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Yahoo Mail account. If you've noticed that messages from someone you know aren't showing up, they might be on your block list. Unblocking them is quick, but it has to be done on the desktop website, not in the mobile app. So start by opening your preferred web browser and signing into your Yahoo Mail account on the official site. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. Click it, then choose More Settings to open the full settings panel. On the left sidebar, select Security and Privacy. This section is where Yahoo groups tools that control who can reach you. Under Blocked Addresses, you'll see every address you've blocked. This list tells Yahoo to automatically keep messages from those senders out of your inbox. Find the address you want to allow again. If you have a long list, scroll until you see it. The entries are usually shown as individual rows with actions on the right. When you've located it, click the trash can icon or the delete option next to that address to remove it from the list. Depending on your browser and current layout, Yahoo may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm to finalize the change. After you confirm, the address disappears from blocked addresses. That change takes effect right away. From this point forward, emails from that sender won't be blocked by this list, and they can land in your inbox again. Keep in mind, unblocking doesn't recover old emails that were previously blocked, and other filters you've set up, like spam or custom filters, can still affect where messages go. If you rely on heavy filtering, it's a good idea to be aware of those rules so you know where new messages might appear. If you ever need to block the address again, you can return to the same security and privacy page and add it back, but for now you're all set. That's the entire process. Sign in on the desktop site, go to More Settings, open Security and Privacy, find the address under Blocked Addresses, delete it, and confirm. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.